Are you fully leveraging AI in your employer branding efforts? AI is revolutionizing recruitment marketing, giving you deeper insights and smarter strategies to enhance your brand's impact. In this new learning path on SocialTalent, discover how generative AI can help you craft engaging job postings and build data-driven content strategies that resonate with top talent. Led by sourcing and AI expert Glen Cathey, this learning path equips you with practical AI-driven techniques to elevate your recruitment marketing, helping you attract and engage the right candidates more effectively.
For example, act as an employer branding expert. Analyze this employer branding content for tone, consistency, and emotional impact. What themes emerge, and how effectively do they convey our employee value proposition?
Let Glen help you supercharge your recruitment marketing with AI today, only on SocialTalent.